Hello, I am Captain AHS. Have you ever looked closely at a plant and noticed its different parts? Let's find out what makes each part so unique.
Hey Sorrow! Today, we're having our very first Green Thumb Challenge. Who's ready to become the ultimate plant expert?
I'm ready! But what exactly is the Green Thumb Challenge?
It's a fun competition where all are going to show off their gardening skills. They are going to identify different parts of plants. And we've got a surprise, 2 new members are joining the challenge today.
Hi, everyone! We're so excited to be here. I can't wait to see what this challenge is all about.
This is going to be awesome. Let's see who's got the greenest thumb.
And who knows the most about plants?
Here's how it works. There are 3 rounds in the challenge. In each round, you'll need to complete a task that involves different parts of a plant. The winner gets to wear the special green thumb hat.
What are the rounds, Baba?
Round 1 is the root race, round 2 is the stem stack, and round 3 is the leaf lab. You'll need to work together and think fast.
This sounds like so much fun. Let's start. I'm ready to win that hat.
Round 1, the root race. Each team needs to find the roots in the soil and explain what they do for the plant. Let's go.
Here are the roots under the soil. They're like the plant's secret straws, sucking up water and nutrients from the soil.
They also keep the plant anchored in the ground, so it doesn't fall over.
Roots are like the plant's underground helpers. We did it! On to the next round!
Great job, detectives! Now for round 2.
Round 2, the stem stack. Find the tallest stem you can and explain how the stem helps the plant.
The stem is like the plant's elevator, carrying water and nutrients from the roots up to the leaves and flowers. And it helps the plant stand tall to reach the sunlight. The taller the stem, the closer the leaves are to the sun. Our stem is super tall! I think we're winning!
Impressive stem building, everyone. Now for the final round.
The leaf lab. Explore the leaves carefully and tell us what they do for the plant. Let's go!
The leaves are like little solar panels. They use sunlight to make food for the plant. It's called photosynthesis. The leaves take in sunlight and carbon dioxide to create energy.
And they help the plant breathe by taking in carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen.
Leaves are the plant's kitchen and lungs at the same time.
We nailed it! We're plant experts now.
You all did an amazing job. Each team showed great teamwork and plant knowledge. So the green thumb hat, and today it goes to everyone.
Everyone?
Yes, because you all worked together and discovered so much about the parts of a plant. That's what being a green thumb is all about.
This was so much fun. And we all got to be winners.
So here's a green thumb hat for each of you. Wear it proudly and remember everything you learned today. That was a great day in the garden, wasn't it? I'm really proud of our little detectives.
Yes, they did an amazing job figuring out all the different parts of the plants. We have quite the team of budding scientists.
I still can't believe how much we had fun today. Plants are like secret superheroes.
You know, understanding how plants work helps us take better care of them. We're not just detectives. We're also plant doctors now.
And it's fun to learn when we do it together. It's like an adventure every time.
I loved being a detective today. I can't wait to tell my parents about all the cool stuff we discovered. Me too. I didn't know plants had so many important parts that work together.
Goodbye, little kids Emara and Hania. Take care.
Now it's the time for quiz. Are you ready for a fun quiz to test what you've learned about parts of plants? Let's see if you've got what it takes. It's quiz time! What part of the plant absorbs water and nutrients? A. Leaf. B. Stem. C. Roots. The correct answer is C. Roots. The roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil to help the plant grow. What part of the plant is often buried underground? A. Stem. B. Leaf. C. Root. The correct answer is C. Root. Roots are usually buried in the soil, working hard to absorb water and nutrients. Which part of the plant helps the plant breathe? A. Stem. B. Flower. C. Leaf. The answer is C. Leaf. Leaves help the plant breathe by taking in carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. What is the function of plant roots? A. To attract insects. B. To produce flowers. C. To anchor the plant. The correct answer is C. To anchor the plant. Roots hold the plant firmly in the ground. What is the role of plant stems? A. To make food. B. To absorb water. C. To transport nutrients. The answer is C. To transport nutrients. The stem moves water and nutrients to all the plant parts. Have you ever wondered how each part of a plant helps it grow? Next time, we'll find out what makes plants so special. See you then.